This simple guide will show you how to delete a listing on eBay. Whether you're cleaning up your inventory or you simply no longer want to sell an item, it's essential to know how to manage your listings effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to remove any listing from your eBay account with ease. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to eBay's website by typing in ebay.com. This is your starting point for accessing all the features and tools that eBay offers to manage your listings. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, go ahead and enter your username and password to sign in. Remember, it's crucial to be logged in to the correct account where your listings are active. Next, look to the top right corner of the eBay homepage. You'll see a menu item labeled Sell. Go ahead and click on it. This option takes you to your seller dashboard, where you can view and manage all the items you have listed for sale. It's a handy hub for all things related to your selling activity on eBay. Once you're on your seller dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the Listings section. This section provides a comprehensive view of all your active and scheduled listings. Click on Listings to proceed. Here you'll see a list of all the items you're currently selling, along with details like price, views, and watchers. Now that you're looking at your list of active listings, it's time to select the one you wish to delete. Find the listing you no longer want to keep active. Beside each item, there is a checkbox. You'll want to click on the checkbox next to the listing you intend to delete. This action marks the specific item and tells eBay that this is the listing you're choosing to take action on. With the checkbox selected, turn your attention to the options available for managing your listings. You'll notice a variety of actions you can take, but for our purpose today, look for the Delete option. Click on Delete to remove your listing from eBay. eBay will likely prompt you to confirm your action. Deleting a listing is permanent, so it's always good to double-check that you've selected the correct item. Once you're sure about deleting the listing, confirm the action. And just like that, your listing will be removed from eBay's platform. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a listing on eBay. Remember, managing your listings efficiently helps keep your seller profile organized and up to date. If you ever need to delete another listing, you'll know exactly what to do. Keep in mind that if you have any unsold items, you can always relist them later if needed. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy selling on eBay.